To buy 5Scape on Coinbase Wallet in 2025, you need to have a basic understanding of cryptocurrency and a Coinbase account. First, download and install the Coinbase Wallet app from the App Store if you have not already done so. Once installed, open the app and sign in to your Coinbase account. If you do not have a Coinbase account, create one and verify your email address and phone number. After signing in, you will see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Tap on the Browse tab and search for 5Scape. If 5Scape is not available on the main list, you may need to use the Coinbase Pro platform or the Advanced Trade option. Before making a purchase, ensure you have a sufficient balance of the desired payment method in your Coinbase wallet. You can add a payment method by going to the Settings tab and selecting Add Payment Method. Choose your preferred payment method and follow the prompts to link it to your account. To buy 5Scape, navigate back to the Trade tab and select Buy. Enter the amount of 5Scape you want to purchase or the amount of money you want to spend. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct, including the amount of 5Scape you are buying and the total cost. Confirm the transaction by tapping Buy Now. Depending on the payment method and network congestion, the transaction may take a few minutes to complete. Once the transaction is confirmed, the 5Scape will be added to your Coinbase wallet. It is essential to keep in mind that buying cryptocurrency is a high-risk investment and prices can fluctuate rapidly. Always do your research and consider your financial situation before making any investment decisions. Additionally, be aware of the fees associated with buying and selling cryptocurrency on Coinbase Wallet.